Good morning. Only thing one item. Task 5. Speaking Task Forum and Intervene. Inglés 2. First name Carlos Andrés Rodríguez Ochoa. Tutor María Eugenia Abril. Personal description. My name is Carlos Andrés Rodríguez Ochoa. I am 23 years old. I am from Bogotá. I live in Tunja. I study environmental engineering. I live with my mother and grandmother. I like to play basketball, swimming, cycling, reading, and listening to rock music. The last weekend I was to Monica with my best friend and father in Yuan. The weather was very sunny. Normally, almost every day at night, the weather was warm late in the mornings. In the afternoon was windy and was a little cool too. There was many recreational centers where we could go swimming and play micro. It's recommended to use sunscreen, sunglasses, caps, and stay hydrated. Also taking hot drinks at night when the weather is cold, and when the weather was cold I used coat. Also was necessary bring repellent for mosquitoes, since the need is when they come out to shop foods as and in some cases we could sprung. Climate in Monica. The climate on Monica is very at night is not a little cool. Recommendations. It is necessary in the day to apply sunscreen in the day, a cap, sunglasses, wear comfortable clothes, stay hydrated, skincare for skin care. In the training, it is necessary to use mosquito repellent. Thank you very much.